right, everybody, Dr. Blumenthal back with you. Natural Transplants. We are in the DC office today. We are excited. We got Enoch joining us. Welcome, welcome.
What's going on, y'all?
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm good, I'm good.
Excellent. You excited? You ready for this?
I am.
All right, you pumped up. We got good energy today.
Yes,
so,
sir.
Enoch, tell us why you're here and also maybe how you found us.
So for me, I noticed that, I'm 26 years old, but I did notice that, I'm thinning out. Y'all can clearly see. Plus, I have a high hairline. So I was just looking for any alternatives, anything that I can do to try to fill it in and get my hair back in a little bit. And I found you guys. And of course, we had the stuff overseas. That was an option. But for me, I wanted to go somewhere that I knew I can get it done right one time. And I wouldn't have to come back and try to fix any, out of the country mistakes. Right. So, I'm excited.
Cool.
I'm very excited.
Awesome. Looks great, man. I mean, as you mentioned, it looks like, you had a high forehead always, but there is some recession in there, obviously, in the corners and on the sides. Also, we're going to do a little temple work as well, too. Your temples are kind of angling back, and we're going to kind of bring them up so they're a little bit more perpendicular. So, awesome. Yeah. Very cool. I appreciate you doing this. Thank you so much for letting you kind of videotape the ride here. And what we'll do is we'll draw everything out, and then we'll come back and visit you in a few.
Perfect.
Sound good?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. All right, we are back with Enoch, and as you can tell, we have drawn out the line. There you go. So we brought down nice. I think it looks really nice and natural on his face. Still leaves some forehead there, but I think it looks nice and symmetric and natural. And then we brought the temples way down. He actually has this little area on both sides, kind of right in this area that doesn't really have any hair at all. So we brought it down to kind of fill that gap in. So it's gonna look like that on both sides. You ready to do this?
I'm ready.
All right, we got one volume on board. We're gonna rock and roll. We'll check on you a little later.
Yes, sir.
All right, we are done. Dr. Blumenthal back. We got Enoch. You did it, buddy.
Yes.
Congratulations, you made it alive.
Thank you.
Tell everybody how the day went.
Guys, it was amazing. Now, this only thing I'm gonna tell you was the numbing. The numbing process. I'm not gonna lie, you gonna feel it.
Yep.
But what makes it easier is breathe. Breathe in and out. That's what helped me personally.
And the laughing gas. You enjoyed the laughing gas.
Oh, I love the laughing gas.
Yeah, that was good stuff.
I was hitting the laughing gas like a baby.
I gotta watch you. You may steal it on the way out here.
Steal it from me. But all that stuff helped. The doctors, they were talking to me, it kept me engaged. That also helped. And then once that's over, you really don't feel a thing.
Yeah.
The numbing really kicks in. They're doing the thing. He asked, do you feel anything? I'm like, no, I don't feel anything. And it was great.
Good. Excellent. You did great. You dozed off a little bit, watched a movie or two. I love it, man. It looks fantastic. I'm super psyched. I'm going to zoom in a little bit just so you can kind of see. And we got the temples. We got a nice hairline, nice tight hairline right there. We filled everything in. I'm super happy with it. It looks really good.
Guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is the place to come. That's the man. Come get it. I work with Dr. Blumenthal. Incredible.
Awesome.
All the doctors in there, incredible.
I didn't even pay you to say that. And
no, no. I'm not
sponsored.
This is not a sponsored video. That's just the truth. I know for men, we suffer hair loss, and women too as well suffer hair loss, but we have a solution. I know this is the best place to come.
Oh, man, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for doing this. Thanks for sharing your story with everybody. Hopefully this resonates and, may inspire some people out there as well too. What would you recommend if, let's say if you talked to yourself a year ago, or somebody's like doing some research, thinking about it, but kind of on the fence, what advice would you give now that you've kind of done it?
I would recommend, well, of course, you got to sit and think about it. Obviously talk to different places so you can outweigh, weigh your options.
Very
that's
important.
what I did. I wanted to hear everybody, but this is honestly where I felt the safest. The doctors have a lot of experience, and for me, as a with Afro hair, African hair, the curly texture, they had a lot of experience with that. So for me, that was great. That was what I was looking for. I didn't want to go out the country, and no shade to anybody. I think they do some great work, but I didn't want to go out and risk, with unreal expectations. That's another thing I love about the doctors here. They give you real expectations. Like, we're not gonna do too low, too crazy, but they did give me what I thought was the best for my face, for my head. And I'm just looking at it now, and I just can imagine the styles I could do. Man. So I'm super excited.
It's gonna be great, man. I love it. So I appreciate you saying that, and appreciate you coming in. Hopefully we'll kind of keep tabs on you within the year, and hopefully we'll see in the year, and we'll check out the results.
Y'all gonna see me in the year. I'm gonna come in with a suit, tie, everything. I'm gonna let y'all see it.
I love it, man. Thank you. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you, guys.
All right.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.